When you're on your limit, your choice of outfit is probably not the thing that's forefront in your mind, but perhaps it should be. When the body produces sweat at a rate faster than it can evaporate into the air, we get wet and uncomfortable.
Worse than horses?
But what many people don't know is that this liquid sweat isn't just uncomfortable, it's lowering your performance by clogging your 4 million pores in your skin, limiting your body's ability to cool itself. In the past, athletic fabrics have attempted to deal with this sweat by wicking it away from the skin, spreading it over a larger surface area so that it can evaporate more quickly. But what if you didn't even have to get to liquid sweat in the first place? As a student, whilst on a trip to Japan, physicist Dr. Greg Hagquist visited a traditional sandbath. Historically healing sites, women would dig holes with shovels and bury themselves in hot volcanic rock to detoxify their skin. Ready to try it for himself, Dr. Greg hesitated when he observed that the rock felt hot enough to burn the skin on his feet. Yet once he was covered in it, he became comfortable. Similar to the way a dehumidifier sucks the moisture from the air, the volcanic rock was acting as a desiccant, actively sucking water from Dr. Greg's skin, uniquely utilizing the roughly 80 watts of infrared energy that the human body generates every single second to actively power this suction process. Dr. Greg's experience led him to develop a technology that exploited the same desiccant properties of the volcanic rock to suck moisture away from the skin while still in vapor form before it turns to sweat. At the Mission Workshop, we've evaluated hundreds of textile technologies over the last 25 years and found that most of them offer very little, if any, increase in performance. 37.5 is the most significant we've seen since the advent of soft shell and stretch woven fabrics in the late 90s, because the power to sweat less, or not even at all, means that you're able to delay the onset of your body's limit to cool itself, beyond wicking, increasing your performance.